Which of the following is true? Sa pag-atake ng tanong, no, during your board exam, pwede niyong sagutan or lagyan ng mga notes, no, annotation yung questionnaire. Okay? Pwedeng-pwede nyo yan gawin, no? And then, eliminations of question. Okay? Sige. Answers. A, all values are innate. B, values do not influence behavior. C, values are learned and culturally shaped. And D, values are universally the same. Okay, so what's the answer? Okay, it's letter C. So values are shaped by upbringing, no, environment and culture. Dito na papasok yung sinasabi ko kanina na nature versus nurture. So, all values are innate. Ano ibig sabihin yan? So, values are inborn and natural from birth. Okay, syempre, that's wrong, no? Okay, magbabago at magbabago pa rin yung value system mo. B, values do not influence behavior. So, values have no effect on how people act. Okay? And D, values are universally the same. So, everyone in the world shares the same values. Syempre, hindi, no? Kanya-kanya pa rin naman yung culture aspect nito.